Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Culinary Creativity. We got a twist on a fall classic in store for you today. We created the most incredible pecan pie cheesecake ever. Want to know how we did it? Grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get started. Before we dive into our culinary adventure, let's gather all our essential ingredients. There is nothing quite like the thrill of being fully prepared before we embark on a delicious dessert journey. Let's make magic in the kitchen. This dessert calls for simple ingredients, probably already in your pantry. There is no need for a special trip to the store. Now, let's gather our supplies for this delicious adventure. We'll start with these essential ingredients. 1.5 cups graham cracker crumbs. These will form the perfect crust for our masterpiece. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. This will add just the right amount of sweetness to our crust. 5 tablespoons unsalted butter melted. The butter will help bind the crumbs together and add a rich flavor. 3 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese. Cream cheese is the star of our filling, making it creamy and smooth. 1.5 cups granulated sugar. This will sweeten our filling to perfection. 3 large eggs. Eggs will help set our filling and give it structure. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla adds a beautiful aroma and depth of flavor to our filling. 1 cup of light corn syrup. This will add a smooth texture and sweetness to our topping. 3/4 cup packed light brown sugar. Brown sugar will give our topping a rich caramel-like flavor. 1/4 cup unsalted butter melted. Butter will add richness and help bind our topping together. 3 large eggs. Eggs will help set our topping and give it a nice texture. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla will enhance the flavor of our topping. 1.5 cups pecan halves. Pecans will add a delightful crunch and nutty flavor to our masterpiece. We're set to create something extraordinary with all these ingredients ready. Let's get started. Let's preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Get ready to fill your kitchen with delicious aromas. Now, let's craft our rich and creamy foundation. In a medium bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter. Use a fork to mix until it resembles wet sand. Press this mixture into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Make it a priority to spread a uniform layer for the best results. Bake this crust for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it's lightly golden. This step ensures a sturdy base for our creamy filling. Set it aside to cool while we move on to the star of the show, the cheesecake filling. In a spacious mixing bowl, whip the creamy, softened cream cheese and sugar until you achieve a velvety, smooth texture. The combination should be rich and inviting, setting the stage for a delicious treat. Using an electric mixer makes this task a breeze, but if you prefer, putting in some manual effort will also yield excellent results. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Remember, we want a smooth and creamy filling. Stir in the vanilla extract, then pour this dreamy mixture over the cooled crust. Now gently tap the pan on the counter a few times to release air bubbles. This ensures a smooth, crack-free cheesecake. We're almost there. Get ready for a delightful treat. Introducing the sweet and crunchy crescendo, featuring our irresistible pecan pie topping. Now for the grand finale. In a separate bowl, whisk together the corn syrup, brown sugar, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract until well combined. Stir in those pecans. They're the heart and soul of this topping. Carefully pour this pecan-y goodness over the cheesecake filling. Isn't it beautiful? Now, it's time to bake this masterpiece. But first, we have a few tricks up our sleeves. We're baking with finesse. Tips for a flawless cheesecake. Today, we're diving into the art of making a perfect cheesecake. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a novice in the kitchen, these tips will help you achieve a flawless result every time. To prevent cracks, we'll create a steamy environment in the oven. This is crucial because the steam helps maintain a moist atmosphere for a smooth and crack-free cheesecake. Place a roasting pan filled with hot water on the rack below the cheesecake. The hot water will generate steam, enveloping the cheesecake in a gentle, moist heat. This helps the cheesecake bake evenly. An even bake ensures consistency throughout the texture, from the creamy center to the perfectly set edges. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the cheesecake is set around the edges. Keep an eye on it, as baking times can vary depending on your oven and the size of your cheesecake. The center will still be slightly jiggly, but don't worry, it will continue to set as it cools. This jiggle signifies that your cheesecake is perfectly baked and will have a creamy texture once fully cooled. Once baked, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool in the oven with the door slightly ajar for an hour. This gradual cooling process is crucial in preventing cracks. This gradual cooling technique is essential for maintaining a uniform temperature, which helps avoid severe fluctuations that could lead to cracks. Rapid temperature shifts can stress the cheesecake, resulting in unattractive cracks on the surface that detract from its beauty. After an hour, transfer the cheesecake to a wire rack to cool completely. Allowing it to cool on a wire rack ensures that air circulates around it, helping it cool evenly. Finally, refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld and the texture to firm up, resulting in a delicious and easy-to-slice cheesecake. Patience, friends. Good things come to those who wait. The longer you let your cheesecake chill, the better it will taste. So resist the urge to cut into it too soon, and you'll be rewarded with a perfect slice. Let's raise a glass and celebrate your incredible baking skills. A massive round of applause goes out to all of you baking stars. Congratulations on your unique creations. You've just created a culinary masterpiece, a symphony of textures and flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. The moment you've been waiting for is finally here. Slice into your pecan pie cheesecake and look at that beautiful creation. The creamy cheesecake, the crunchy pecans, the buttery crust. It's pure perfection. Each bite is a delightful journey, buttery, sweet, crunchy, and oh so satisfying. Close your eyes, savor the moment, and pat yourself on the back. You did it. Today, get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that marries the soulful flavors of pecan pie with the creamy indulgence of cheesecake. It's a match made in dessert heaven. This dessert is pure magic. Imagine the rich, nutty essence of pecan pie blending seamlessly with cheesecake's smooth, creamy texture. It's the perfect ending to any meal, a celebration of flavor that will have everyone asking for seconds. Whether it's a family gathering or a special occasion, this dessert will impress. Imagine this, a buttery graham cracker crust that provides the perfect foundation for our dessert, followed by a layer of velvety smooth cheesecake, rich and creamy, that melts in your mouth with every bite, all topped with a generous amount of gooey pecan pie filling. The combination of textures and flavors is simply irresistible. Is your mouth watering yet? Just wait until you taste it. This dessert is easier than you might think. Don't be intimidated. Even if you're a beginner, you can master this dessert with ease. So, let's gather our ingredients and turn those oven lights on. Get ready to create a dessert that will become a new favorite in your household. Let's get baking. Let's celebrate our sweet achievements together. Let's spread the joy. Take a picture of your stunning pecan pie cheesecake and share it with the world. Tag us on your social media or share your creations in the comments below. We can't wait to see your culinary creations. Your friends and family will be amazed by your baking skills. You might even inspire them to try to create this dessert themselves. Let's spread the joy of baking, one slice at a time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and baking adventures. Also, ring that notification bell for updates. We're constantly whipping up something new and exciting in the kitchen, and we can't wait to share it all with you. This pecan pie cheesecake is a staple for any extraordinary occasion. We hope you enjoy this special treat. From our kitchen to yours. Happy baking!